We've always been of the opinion that we should not launch wireless until we had a technology that would still give the consumer a high quality and a very robust and reliable sound experience. And we also wanted to ensure that you can get multi-channel, so not just stereo, but a full surround sound system.
Immaculate wireless sound is about reproducing sound without any distortion. This means that we can transmit the sound exactly as it was intended.
My goal was to make it a true transformation artist. Not only in the way that you as a user can place it anywhere you want, but I wanted to change appearance depending on how you placed it.
The subwoofer is an expression of the performance and the precision of the sound it delivers. And it's made in a form that would fit into a lot of modern living spaces. I've always been fascinated by jet engines because they are just expressions of sheer performance. The dodecahedron is one of the Platonic solids, and it has a calmness to it. It sits well on the floor, but it's playful at the same time. There's more to the story than what the eye sees at first. So it makes us want to investigate it into more detail.
It was an incredibly difficult job to take what is probably the biggest design icon in this industry, the BeoLab 8000, and then create the modern and forward-looking version of that.
I really love music instruments. Most of them are really beautiful, very artistically shaped, but all the shapes are related to a purpose. I try to pay a lot of attention to what kind of materials that works perfectly in a home.
We're very proud to work with Sir Paul on launching our new speakers. He's always had a passion for Bang Olufsen. I think the passion that he brings to people with his music is absolutely outstanding.
When the people laugh.
We feel that the work that we've done for the last couple of years means that we can now launch wireless in a quality and with a robustness that will give our consumers an outstanding experience. If you want to have the perfect synchronization between the picture and the sound in a wireless setup, you need to have immaculate wireless sound. It has to fit in with the interior. It has to be luxuriously simple to operate. Again, outstanding designs is a lot more than just the way a product looks. It's also the way that it feels, it's the way it works, it's what it does for the consumer.